my place. Oh, I come home early, expecting a warm embrace. But something's wrong, 'cause it's written on your face. Said it hurt so bad when I walked through the door. But you know one thing, I ain't coming back no more. Don't try to tell me things are still the same. 'Cause we're in love, I heard you call his name. Yeah. Listen with my
to my mom's crib so big it look like the Synagogue. Give her a couch just to spill Henny on. And been a dawn since Lotto's and Benetton. Come on.
Some people say that I'm not the same girl. They say I think that I'm in my own world. What makes them think that I have changed? Yeah, a little joke and not erase my problems. Be like you, I have to try and solve them. Yes, everything is quite the same. Whoa, I'm just trying to be me. Do what I got, do what I gotta do. People think that I'm top of the world, top of the world, top of the world, top of the world. Yeah. I wonder why something's under my life. Every day.
See where we are, you alone, I stand up like them dirty people just come people and go and where you go.
My life is real, so please don't get it twisted. Problems the same and gotta be dealt with. These are the things I wish you knew. Always in someone's side, so many questions why. How is it to be down with me, with me? Waiting to express myself, always being someone else. I need to be free. It's not that easy. I'm just trying to be me, do what I do. Some people think that I'm just sitting on top of the world. I'm just trying to be me, proving what I got to do. Some people think that I'm just sitting on top of the world. Sitting on top of the world. All this love waiting just for you. I just gotta know that your love is true. Can't keep running, boy, in and out my life. Wanna be your girl, not 'cause the mood is right. If I let you come inside tomorrow, will you hide? Will you be there for me when I need someone to hold? Baby, don't misunderstand. I do want you for my man. I just need a little time before I invest my love. Don't walk away, boy. Don't walk away. My love won't hurt you. No, no. Don't walk away, boy. I'll be right there for you. All the things that I like to hear. You push all my buttons, baby. Love to have you close to me. Wanna feel your love. Wanna be for sure that it's me you need, baby. Each and every night. If I let you come inside tomorrow, will you hide? Will you be there for me when I need someone to hold? Baby, don't misunderstand. I do want you for my man. I just need a little time before I invest my love. Don't walk away, boy. My love won't hurt you. No, don't walk away, boy. Don't walk away. I'll be right there for you.
When I'm looking at you, I'm thinking, why can't she be like me? So I'm scheming, I can't go on like this. Believe that her love is true. Oh, standing on the dance floor while she tricking. You are all I want, girl. She's a chicken. We might be together, but love is missing. Girl, I want you. So what can we do? Girl, if it's alright, let's go somewhere and get it on tonight. Let's get it on. I got a girl, but you look good tonight. You look so good, babe. It's one-on-one tonight. You, babe. Tonight. Girl, if it's alright, let's go somewhere and get it on tonight. Get it on. You shouldn't have to be alone tonight. You look so good. It's one-on-one tonight.
shout out to DJ Bucket in the chat early. Going on fire last night, me youth. Big up yourself. Right. Yeah. All the DJs did they shit like that. Yeah, they my work, man. You're tuning into Gyalis and the Baddies with this day I wanna go on cruise, you know? Go and enjoy the music, people. We're about to start the show in a few. But while you're waiting in the chat, and if you're just now tuning in, if you have any questions or anything you want to share with us or ask us, please do drop it in the chat. We're going to talk to y'all. We're going to try to respond with y'all and help y'all get the answers y'all need for whatever y'all want to know, right? So like I said, this is your boy Gyalis. We are going to play some music for you in a couple more minutes and then we get to the show, alright? So go share the live, comment, and if you ain't do it yet, just subscribe, right? In the chat right now, y'all fully active? You got any new followers in the chat? Real love. I'm searching for real love. Someone set my heart free. Real love. Every Sunday we hear people, we hear. Watch the style, people. Real love. I'm searching for real love. Someone to set my heart free. Real love. Thank you, man. Searching for real love. I got to have a real. I'm on. To the wicked girl, them out there. Hey girl, yo. Yes, I try. You lie to me. Even though you know I like you. Yes, I cry. I return of the man. Oh no. Oh my God. Here I am. Once again. Crying, so excited. Oh my God, she's fighting. You're dancing real close. You're making it hard for me. All the songs on you requested, you're dancing like you're naked. It's almost like what's that? Oh yeah, yeah, boo, I like it. No, I can't deny it, but I know you can tell I'm excited. Oh, girl. Step back, you're dancing kind of close. I feel a little cool coming through on you. Now, girl, I know you felt it, but boy, you know I can't help it. You know what I wanna do. Baby, when we're crying. All right, yeah, sure, be live now. That's enough sharing for me. I'm tired of this. That's how I'm sharing the live like a motherfucker. This is real close. Sorry, walking that chat right now.
Hold on, let's take it from the top. I fox gets my swerve on, floors pure rocks. In
in the six drop, bull, and it don't stop. See money looking alright, yeah. What up, Rob? Close the room, throwing signals, I'm throwing them back. Flirting, cause I digs you like that.
Go get outside of the chat, like the actual video, share it with a friend, and tell that friend to share it with a friend, right?
Know what you like, I can tell by the jewels you
hardball, you know, hardball, you know.
Shoes well, the suits flow nice. I don't like the notes too well, let's be more precise. Meet me by the VIP, let's powwow. Whisper in my ear like blue, let's bounce now. Rock a say peace to my mans for you. When it's all said and done, I got plans for you. He said,
looking for your friend, the one you let hit it and never called you again. Remember when he told you he was about to Benjamins? You act like you and him, they give him a little trim to begin. Now you think you really gon' pretend like you wasn't down and you called him again. Plus when you give it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you probably can. Talking out your neck saying you're a Christian, a Muslim, sleeping with the gin. Now that was the sin that did Jezebel in. Who you gon' tell when the repercussions spin? Showing off cause you thinking it's a trend, girlfriend. Let me break it down for you again. You know I only say it cause I'm truly genuine. Don't be a hard rock when you really are a gem, baby girl. Respect is just the minimum. When you still defending them now. Lauren is only human. Don't think I haven't been through the same predicament. Let it sit inside your head like a million women in Philly pen. It's silly when girls sell their souls because it's sin. Look at where you be in. Hair weaves like Europeans. Fake nails done by Koreans. Come again. Yo, a win-win, come again. A lot of people ask the questions why. Some people have to go
A sincere man or just a bunch of G? Why second guess the brother will last? It took a whole clip from Jordan to Ave. The booties in Aruba, boats and hovercrafts. So a biggie love the dough, murder could love the cat. Butter Benz, gave the Tahoe to my other half. If she got the Benz, then guess what mommy had? Why Dre tell her way too much ice in the crib. Blinks and drunk, he think we singing nice like this. He said when he grew up, he want a life like this. Sleep all day, plus you rock ice like this. Got girls throwing head, I ain't even touch dice. I ain't trust Don King, I'ma trust Mike. I date bull daggers, now I trust dikes. Need a cleaner Nina, cause they don't bust right. I ain't stingy when everybody see the plush light. Buy ring before the Benz, so it look just right. Girls love me, try to get the girl to love Mike. All I need is cup and Kool-Aid, I got enough ice.
All I ever wanted was you. He don't need all I ever wanted was to be there for you. He can stay don't give a fuck if you're in love, do what you want to do all night long. Happy days are here, so leave your cares behind. Just relax your mind. It's so easy to do it. Just enjoy yourself, right? Get your groove on tonight. Take your time. Ain't nothing but a party. We can dance all night long. Do what you want. Dance all night long.
It's a Queens thing, baby.
Dance with you.
Try to master this.
Everybody in chat that's tuning in, thank you for tuning in to Gyalis and the Baddies. This is another Sunday. We're back here in second Sunday.
Okay.
It's PJ Sunday and we here just chilling, you know what I mean? Siani is not here because she's out working. She's at an event and she should be here shortly. You want the block it?
There we go.
Yeah, all right. So, yeah, so we got Boogie always here with us, holding down her spot on the couch, and Jenny is Jenning, and Niger is over here chilling with us. So, we about to just get into it. We're shouting out the. Thanks, like I said, thanks everybody tuning in. Everybody
Take
in
a
the
sip of
chat
juice.
that's been commenting, thank you for there. And we are actually. Let me give you a moment.
911.
Okay, I'm gonna chill out on this.
I'm gonna put that water there for you because you probably gonna need that. Well, like we
I'm
said.
gonna need it.
So we're there, people, and we do a couple shout outs real quick. I want to. Any birthday shout outs?
No, I don't have any.
Anybody? No? Well,
My sister's birthday was yesterday. Hold on. What am I
yeah,
talking about?
okay. I thought so.
Okay, happy birthday, sister.
Where's sister
What am I
name?
talking about?
Where's sister name?
Pow.
Paul?
Pow.
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 Like pow.
Pow.
Okay, happy birthday, Pow. Jay.
That's like Paul, like she did the punch. I'm trying like, that's her name?
Yeah.
Okay, happy Power Day, whatever. But yeah, and Uncle Tommy, last night, or I think today's his birthday or tomorrow. I'm not sure, or Tuesday. But Uncle Tommy, happy years, Chang. Your party last night, I'm still feeling the repercussions, man, because, yeah, the bar was lit. The vibes was lit. The DJ, Rumbass International, Fire Kid, Charismatic, and Maestro. They didn't drop the ball at all last night. They just kept the vibe from start to finish. Everybody did their thing. So shout out to all the DJs last night.
Especially the last like hour.
Yeah, Father Tamir song. Yeah, Fire Kid. Yeah, man. Yeah, Fire Kid,
That
man.
last like hour when they switched up and did the.
Yeah, they go crazy, man. They go crazy.
That's tough.
And so as that we shout out the event, the birthdays. So sponsors.
We got D&K Catering. Shout out to them.
Yeah, shout out to
We
the-
haven't seen y'all in a little bit. Y'all better
Yeah,
come through.
Yeah.
New York Styly.
yeah. Shout out to them.
Shout out to them. Shout out to Livevybz Entertainment.
Yeah, right. We outside like that, and then finally shout out to One Love.
One
Cleaning.
Love. One Love. Yep.
All right, and we're moving forward. We got an icebreaker game, not a game, but just an icebreaker to get the ball rolling with us. And it's a game of would you rather. and boy Boogie got the questions. He about the.
Can y'all comment in the chat too?
Yeah.
If y'all got any suggestions of the would you rather, comment in the chat.
Ask us questions too.
Yeah.
Ask questions and also answer too. This is an interactive game. I want all y'all to play. Yes.
Yeah.
I'm screaming. Let me pull up the chat.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Ready?
Yeah, hit us with it.
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
I
So
was born
first
ready.
question: would you rather the world be ran by AI or aliens?
I really can't say because I don't know what a world.
What each is?
Not AI. I know what AI is, and I actually kind of love AI. I can say I like AI. However, I don't know. Like, are these some horrible? Are the aliens gonna enslave us? Like, what's you know what I'm saying? What type of aliens are we talking? You know, so
AI
I guess
can enslave you too, though.
Yeah.
That's what
That's
they say AI going to evolve.
So did y'all see that movie on Netflix where why do I always forget her name? The real pretty girl with the dark long black hair.
I know he's talking about. Yeah, that was a
Real
good
pretty girl.
That was
with
a
long-
good movie.
Her name
And
is Jennifer or something. I know he's talking
it
about.
just came out not too long ago, and it was like an AI. You go to the store and you pick which one you want. She was like the babysitter, so his wife had cancer or something like that, and she was in the hospital. She needed a heart transplant, and she was in the hospital, so he went to go buy some, like the AI to help him around the house or whatever. And the thing was so real, like he was having sex with it. Like she was like real deal. Like she was able to communicate and have conversations. Like it was, y'all gotta watch it. I forgot what it was called. Do you remember what it was called, Jenny?
No, but I can tell you in like 2 minutes.
Yeah, I forgot what it was called, but yeah, that jump was crazy. You didn't see it either, then?
I don't be on Netflix. I ain't gonna front.
Yeah,
I need to venture back over there, but
Yeah, I need it. All right, I'm gonna go see about that. What you said it was called?
She looking it up right now.
Yeah.
so
It has a really
It's
popular.
called Companion.
all the AI movies I've seen be crazy.
With
bro.
Megan
So
Fox.
with that being said, I'm gonna go with the aliens. And I
Yeah.
say that because when there's other creatures, I feel like they're not supposed to be human, and that's where we get things messed up with the whole AI thing. We're trying to create another human, and they're not meant to be humans. Like those are robots.
They're supposed to be
They're
calculators.
exactly.
But they're giving them human
There's
features.
supposed to be limitations to what they're supposed to be able to do
to make a distinctive difference.
Exactly,
Yeah, I
exactly.
agree.
And I feel like we are trying to create another human thing that's not human biologically to be able to do everything that we can to help make life easier. But in
And then-
all actuality, we can't do that.
And because it's gonna put us out of work and shit like that.
Not even just that, but we cannot create another, like, unless somebody gets pregnant and
The natural way.
Exactly. There's no way that you can create another human to be able
Well,
to eat, talk, walk.
They make
Listen up.
they make the Tesla bot. So shit.
In movies and shit, I
Yeah.
haven't seen movies where they got the shit where they don't transfer
Hold
from
on.
consciousness.
A lot of people just joined the live real quick. So everybody that just joined the live, this is an icebreaker. We're playing Would You Rather, and the question was,
Would you rather be in a world controlled by AI or aliens?
yeah. So that's what the discussion is right now. And do go outside of the chat and like the actual video itself and share it with a friend. Thank you.
And
So
mind you, it's mad different types of aliens though, supposedly. You know what I'm saying? So you never know which one you might get stuck with. You might get stuck with the little intellectual ones that don't be fucking with niggas, or you might get stuck with the fucking alien versus predator niggas.
Yeah, but my thing is they're their own thing. Like they're their own thing. So it's just at any point in time that AI can switch up. I mean, at any point in time, anything can switch up. Another human can switch up and turn the world to nothing, you know? So
The only thing I can say with AI, the safe part about it is it will be gradual. It wouldn't just be like, I don't think it would be like, all right, we woke up today and like the whole.
but
Like aliens
I
come here
disagree.
today, tomorrow niggas
no.
gonna be all fucked up.
All right. So let me put
Not tomorrow.
from our understanding, aliens are some type of another beings.
Yeah.
So if it's another being, I'm giving it a 50-50 gamble, so we're gonna be able to communicate and try to see what's up before
exactly.
they just bum rush us. Where versus the AI, the literal computer, nigga, and all our lives are in the computer. So if the AI flip switch red tomorrow, that's it.
Yeah.
The alien will have.
And that's
we'll
what
have
I'm
hope.
thinking. Exactly.
Unless they don't do no mind control shit, but we have a little hope of getting
if
away.
it's iRobot like that. We not
Yeah,
fucking with that, nigga.
we hope.
Niggas.
Cassie, what go on? So hit us with hit you our next one. So everybody
Alright,
pick
next
the
one.
alien.
All right, so for the second one,
Yeah.
would you rather always know the truth or be able to lie 100%
And get away.
convincingly?
Humble
You lie
clock.
100% every time you lie.
Me want to lie. Cause that's fun.
Yeah.
In the sense of with my friends where they like, yeah, I just did that. And like, okay. And I'm just looking at them walk away.
Or you could really be on some shit like, man, I'm at the bank. You be like, okay.
No, lying is fun. I don't care. Judge me if you want. Well, don't use it for evil though. Only use it to lay prank on your friends. That's the only time I approve lying. And when you're getting annoyed at work.
I would only say I would want to lie because honestly, I don't want to.
No,
I do, but it's like
That's what
I
I said.
do want to because we would be in so many less situations if we knew the truth about things.
Or it would deter us from trying things or some shit.
Exactly, like life would be so much different if we always knew the truth.
Mm-hmm.
Especially behind a decision that we want to make, or like that's a different way of looking at it. So
But
I don't know.
that
Like,
shit would be
and
different.
no,
and at
a
the same
lot of
time-
stuff would be different if we
when
always
and
knew
when
the
it
truth.
deters you from when you know the truth about something, you lose out on the experience and the
Exactly.
lesson you're supposed to learn. So
Yeah.
you're probably like, fuck that, I'm not about to do it.
Yeah.
So I
The
rather
world would be very boring for sure.
Yeah.
But just imagine always lying. I feel
I
like the
wouldn't say
world
it'll
would be
boring. It'll be a
chaotic.
lot more straightforward.
Straightforward, yes.
Straightforward.
But straightforward gets boring though, eventually. When you get up, you doing the same thing. Nothing's unexpected. Like, so honestly, like I would say, I would really, I don't know, a little bit of both. I don't know.
Yeah, I believe in lying to your friends. It's funny.
But you don't just only talk to your friends. You have kids. You got
Yeah, you can lie to kids
parents,
too.
aunts, uncles. Like,
You can lie to kids too. Yeah, it's bedtime now. Go to sleep. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, type shit.
Next one,
Kids
next
get to
one.
white
I
lies.
mean,
Y'all ready?
Go ahead.
I
All right. Oh, you didn't say? Oh, go ahead. My fault.
no, you're good. But I would like to lie to myself. And only
We're all
reason
liars.
because, you know, like not to like be mean or like do something malicious to people, but it more so is like, have you ever? I can contest to all of us probably here. We have heard the truth and it literally
Fuck
hurt
you.
us so bad.
Yeah.
Like, you know, imagine like hearing something that might really hurt you, like really bad,
supposed
make
to.
you go mental or
Mm-hmm.
something. You know what I'm saying?
And the
So-
person smiling in your face.
Exactly. So it's like
I'll choke that bitch.
that's hard.
So
So
sorry.
for
It is hard.
me, I'm gonna say I'm gonna be a liar.
Anybody in the studio audience wanna? The question is, would you rather be a liar or know the truth every time?
You got 100% rate lying. Like,
You
No matter
nobody
where
gonna
you
ever
go.
figure out that you
no matter
lied.
where you go,
You get away
or
with it every
always
time.
know the truth.
Oh damn! But that's crazy because if we get away with our lies, then how that work out?
Exactly.
That's why it's fun. It balance 50-50, yin and yang.
Because you lying, but I always know the truth. So I'm
Yeah.
going to know that you lying.
But my lie is so good, it sounds like the truth
Yeah.
because I always get away with it.
No.
All right, get us the next one, Brody.
All right, so would you rather
Mm-hmm.
spend the rest of your life inside or outside?
Inside. 100% inside.
Like elaborate on that.
Like,
Actually,
What?
no,
yeah.
nigga.
Actually, yeah. Well, no, we can't think too deep into these questions. I feel
I
like.
say outside.
Literally, like inside or outside.
I say
Outside,
outside.
like in the forest and stuff.
I say outside. You say inside?
I'm thinking about it now because I'm like, damn,
Wait,
if I'm
so,
outside.
Because I could do outside, but am I allowed to build like a fort or
yeah,
something?
like
Because if I just gotta stand in the fucking
Can I
rain under
have
the tree
heat?
and shit, I'm not doing it.
All right, y'all want me to give it stipulations? All right,
Give
so,
it a slug, because
All right, so if you inside,
people in the chat, answer
you
the
in a
question
building.
too.
You in a building that's like,
A house.
nah. We
Oh.
gonna give you some space. We gonna give you some acres on there. Let's give you 50 acres.
Like you can run around.
50 acres.
I like that.
40 acres in Mill, fuck that. I gave you 10 more.
Mm-mm.
Ready? 10 acres, 50 acres inside.
Uncle Maestro, bless up.
Outside, you probably could do like little overheads.
Sorry, the chat. When people lie, being too nosy. They say lie when people being too nosy. That's what I say, coworkers at work. But carry on, sorry.
All right, so outside you, I guess I would say you could. We gonna pick a place that doesn't get like all the seasons.
Mm-hmm.
It's probably like more so neutral, maybe rain, something like that. You could do like little over coverings, but you can't build nothing where you can go inside of it.
Jaja. And that's my whole experience that I like outside, because to build a whole shelter shit, I haven't did it to an extreme. I did it like makeshift as a kid, but now I feel like I would love that shit. So
I mean, if you outside, you could build some fire ass overhead shit.
yeah, I'd be like a little gazebo type shit.
Nah, not no. If you do a gazebo, they gotta be hanging with like.
Yeah, like you said, it's no
leaves or
walls. I'm
something.
just doing the
Yeah,
roof
gotta be
and the
like little
frame.
leaves and shit.
Yeah, and just some little shit at the
Because
bottom.
imagine we forever outside. We got time to make whatever we want.
Mm-hmm.
I say outside.
Yeah, outside.
Yeah.
I'm definitely feeling outside.
Yeah, because when you
Casey said outside.
yeah, because when you
When you inside, you so confined and like.
yeah, and you don't get all your
I
vitamins.
You could
When-
open up
You got
your
50 acres,
When you don't-
50 acres of outside.
When
that's
you don't
like-
get the ear from the
inside?
trees.
inside, yeah.
When you don't get the ear from the trees, so they call it the carbon monoxide. Wait, no, carbon. Wait, call it from the tree.
oxygen.
No,
In the O2.
carbon. How we call it?
Carbon dioxide.
So, me not know if I.
Dioxide.
That-
Dioxide.
Yeah,
sorry.
carbon dioxide.
Yeah.
But that doesn't come from trees. Oxygen comes from trees.
It's like when carbon dioxide mixes
You
with hydrogen.
release the carbon
dioxide.
dioxide and inhale
That's
oxygen.
from gas, like the stove.
Oh no, confused me. I never got it. What didn't call it? Yeah, the doctor not tell me.
Oxygen does come from like the plants. and
Yeah,
everything
whatever the
stuff.
plant help you do, you can't do it in the
Breathe,
house.
yeah.
So that's why I say,
You could get plants inside.
You never
Get
said that.
shit. Huh?
One more all right,
You
sorry.
inside, bro. You can do whatever you want. I ain't say you had limitations of what you could do inside. You can do whatever you want. You could bring the plants inside.
Shit, if I could bring everything that I want from outside inside in, I'm inside in, cause you know. I'm
But
confused.
you own. I don't know.
Cause think about it, bro. It's people who build like whole little forestries and.
I know
you what
the
I'm
greenhouse
saying?
shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got you. All right, hit us with the next one.
All right, bet. Would you rather have a rewind button or a pause button?
Rewind.
Rewind it. Rewind every time.
Yo, but I think didn't it have some extra stuff like if you could rewind and you wouldn't know, but then you wouldn't know how your
You're not
you
gonna,
couldn't
you're not
predict
gonna
your
remember.
future.
If you rewind it, it's just gonna be.
Yeah.
You're not gonna have memory of what happened.
Yeah.
Me? I'm a funny
It
ass
ain't
nigga.
look. It ain't say that.
I'm a funny ass nigga. I would put pause
Yeah.
because no funny shit.
Facts.
I could just pause shit, do my little look at the camera.
Like you can pause it and then slap
Yeah.
your baby dad or something. Oh.
Oh. All right.
Yo, where did that come from?
I'm so scared.
Like, yo.
This how slow I was. I was like, that's got a baby dad.
Yo.
Don't promote the DV.
Yo, no domestic violence. No domestic
Yeah.
violence.
No, don't slap
It was
me.
a joke. I ain't even got no
Don't
baby dad.
slap
Yo.
me.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm screaming.
that part. Yo, I am. This is funny. Let me take another sip.
Yo,
Another,
pause.
yo, wait, not you.
Yeah.
All right, we
sipping
gonna
to
keep that between us in this room.
Yeah.
I fuck with it.
You.
No, I'm talking about him. Talking about let me take another sip.
Yo, you. Ask the question again, because I missed it.
Would you rather have a rewind
G.
button or a pause button in life?
Come look.
I'm gonna say pause. Well, I can't sip ginger ale.
All right. Ginger
Goodbye.
ale,
But he told us let me take another sip. So what we was just talking about, like,
Yeah, it's funny.
That's still
bro, like he drinking some like some drink or
Ginger ale
something.
be bubbling in your chest just like liquor. So what you talk about?
bubbling.
So me would have a pause button. Cause one, I walk in on one bank. Give me all that shit. Pause. Collect all that shit and leave.
First of all, I ain't even gonna say give
I
me all
wouldn't
that
even say,
shit.
yeah, I'm about to say, I'm
Pause
gonna
it,
instantly
walk
pause.
over there, pause the
Take it.
cameras too.
Exactly.
I would, yeah.
Well, everything gonna be paused. If you pause life, everything
life.
is paused.
Oh, okay, I get
you
it.
know.
Oh, okay.
You know what I would do too? Like if when you have two people that's always talking shit about each other, but they would never talk to each other. I would just have both of them start talking and just pause.
and let them finish. That would be
and just
crazy.
unpause. And bitch. Oh, hi. That's how it would play off.
That's it. I thought you was about to, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I rather the pause, but look, give our next one. The chat.
All right.
We're not the chat. We're not chat right now. We don't want to rewind our pause. Which one would you rather? I can answer for Reese. Reese would have probably say pause.
What
Pause.
y'all thinking?
Yeah, I'm thinking pause.
Pause or rewind?
Yeah, man. And when you get pulled over too.
Yeah.
I wait till this nigga walk up to the car, pause, take the fuck off. Yep. No, I'll turn his car the opposite way.
What if it was on some shit like vehicles and shit? Pause too.
Yeah, everything pause. Like you're the only you and what you control don't pause. Just everything
What
else.
if like your car? Like, pause.
I mean, once you touch it, it's going free because it's you.
Right.
You just release it with your
What I'm
remote.
saying, though, what if you couldn't do that though?
Well,
Like, what if
fuck
it
it.
was just like some pause shit?
Then I just get out
You
and
got
run down the fucking highway, nigga. Like fuck this. Or I just go hide in the back of his truck.
Yeah. In the back.
Just go.
Dang, I'm the only one who picked rewind, I guess.
I don't.
So, cause
No,
remember, if you rewind, let's say you in a fight and you got a right hook, boom, and you rewind it, but you don't have no memory. You don't gonna have.
Nah, they ain't say that. See, you make
No
you
memory,
They did not
yeah.
say that. They did not say
It
that.
was just
so,
that you would
You could
change the
probably rewind
future.
it.
Yeah, I'm exactly.
You just gonna
so-
get your ass whooped over and over.
I'm screaming. No, I'm definitely picking rewind because there's so much stuff that I feel like I know now that I can bring back. You know, people always say, "Oh, if I could be 21 again, if I could be this age again, if I could be that age again." For sure, I'm gonna take.
Appreciate
that.
the likes.
There has to be some, just like there's, you know, like you say, you will pause and it'll benefit you.
Mhm.
So in the rewind, it's
The
gonna
benefit, okay.
There's gonna be some type of benefit for me as well. So
Got you. All right,
I'm
that
definitely
fear.
gonna pause and change a lot of stuff,
For
sure.
That's fear. All right, you remember the movie Click with Adam Sandler?
Yeah.
That's
Yes.
kind of what it was.
Yeah,
Yeah, and with some of his, I think some of his friends, they did it and they made themselves win the lottery, made themselves become the inventor of certain things and shit.
Yeah.
So I would have dabbled in a little bit of that too. I would have took like ownership for the first like car, created something light like that, you know, and just let that.
Adam Sandler was sick.
Yeah.
That nigga
Yeah.
fast forward 30 years.
That I would never do. I don't think I want to see the
That's
future.
a bit much.
He fast forward 30 years.
I ain't doing all
It
that
took
either.
30 years to get that nigga a promotion, bro.
That's crazy. He should have been left that job.
Ain't shit like that, you see? But that's why me can't do it. As there one more and then we move forward. You hear back from Dr. Yitpunde? Alright. One more and we move forward.
All right. This one's probably like the deepest one or the most, I'll probably say. Be with someone who lies for your protection or someone who tells the painful truth.
Back to square one.
I'm gonna say the truth.
Painful truth.
Yeah, painful truth, because I feel like once I find out,
Like, yeah, will we be able to find out the
Let me
lie,
tell you,
though?
but
Right.
no.
Because I
So,
feel like it's stating as if we will never find out.
might just say we have to remember the butterfly effect. I guess that's for the first question. Go ahead.
I forgot my train of thought, but it has some. Okay, so damn.
So what is the butterfly effect? I don't think I know that.
Sorry, what was?
Because the other question, that's a fact.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like,
Oh,
Well, explain it to Niger, because me can't explain that they good either. The last question was,
so it's like a
My thing is am I gonna be out here looking like Rashida from Love and Hip Hop? You know what I'm saying? Or now
depends on
they
what's
talking
going
about
on.
Yandy now. Now
you
they
never
talking
know,
about
like,
Yandy, so
you never know.
Yeah.
I just don't
It
want to
depends
be.
on what type of. You
I just don't want to be out here looking like Rashida or Yandy right
can
now.
have this nigga who
I know none
a
of them.
serial killer. all the time.
Right.
Nah, that's what I'm
Exactly.
saying. Just tell me the truth, Bookie. Like even
Yeah.
if it hurt me at this point, because
but
it's
But what
not
if your
even-
no,
man come
but you know what?
Yo.
this me feel
What
like
if
we're
your
not
man come
contradicting
and tell you,
ourselves.
like, you a serial killer though. Like he a serial killer.
I'm glad you told me. The police gonna be on the way.
The police gonna
You're
be
next.
out.
Go. But this is what I say y'all conscious. So y'all rather people tell y'all the truth, and we all said we rather lie earlier. How crazy is that?
We all didn't say that.
Nope, I didn't say that. But
agree.
I was gonna ask you
But I
like,
did advocate for both sides.
Yeah.
You can
Yeah.
rewind it back.
So, but at the same time, I rather the truth.
I'm gonna say the truth too. I know I said what I said.
And that's from me as a.
Cause this shit that
What
I
happened?
found out about later. I'm like,
They here?
nigga, if you
Oh,
just
oh.
told me that right then and there,
You can
I
grab
probably
something
wouldn't
to
even
do.
been
Tell
that
them to grab something. So the fudge. I rather people tell me the truth for the relationship aspect, because as a male, I'm feeling like I'm the one that's gonna fix all the problems, like bills and all that stuff. So depends on what it is. I feel like I would want to know so I can fix, since I'm, you know what I mean? Since I would put myself as a fixer in the relationship. So I would want to know the truth so I can fix it. But if no relationship in play, I don't give a fuck.
Right.
Tell me what you want. And let me check with the chat real quick.
I think both of the I think there was another
Oh,
question.
yep, true.
that-
I agree with you, Cassie. Cassie said truth so she can have the option to move around.
Exactly. And I think the other option for the other question was better. Because I don't think there's a... I feel like because I chose that option is because I like the other option, I guess. Does that make sense? Remember y'all was saying, oh, but you picked that last time.
Yeah, like,
So I'm saying I feel like the option might have been different from this time. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So that's
It was,
why
it was
I
a
chose
different
the truth.
scenario. For
Exactly.
Sure. It was just it had similar
So
themes.
yeah, but for me, I'm definitely I say the truth because just in all like you know what I'm saying? I don't want nobody to be lying to me all the time. Like that's scary. You know, like
but
I feel like that's
watch
hurtful.
this. But like I said,
but would they lie all the time or would they lie when they want to
knows?
lie? Like,
Who knows?
right?
it don't matter. But the catch is, remember, to protect you. So in all reality, you're still gonna be happy. If it's a case where you're getting money, you're gonna still be getting money. Ain't shit gonna bother you. You just gonna be getting what you want, doing what you want.
If
just
money
being
involved, that's a different story.
happy. Okay.
Lie to me. I'm still gonna be happy. Lie. That is not what I ordered.
Yeah, it's pretty right.
That's what they got.
Not what I ordered.
Oh.
All right.
Ooh, let me go. You want me to grab some Fox? You want fruits?
Sure.
Let me
Yeah.
grab into some Fox. Well, we are rolling at the next.
Today we
Yes.
have the elegant, delicate fruit salad. Yummy, yummy.
Fruit salad. Yummy, yummy fruit salad. I know, listen, I know y'all, is it millennials? It's millennials, right? I know y'all millennials remember the Wiggles. I know y'all remember that. Who used to watch the Disney Channel?
Yeah,
I
I
watched
think I
Disney
remember the
Channel.
Wiggles. They was like red, yellow,
Yes,
blue,
mhm.
green.
Yes,
Yeah.
for sure.
Cantaloupe, grapes, watermelon.
All that good stuff.
Watermelon.
Is there honey? You got some honey?
Oh.
If you got some honey,
She got
if you
that
got
honey.
some honey in there, tell me. I'm pissed. I ordered a thing we had from last time.
Alright, so
And then
people gotta move forward now. So the next outline of work we got right now, our topic we're gonna open the ball field with. And this is from some shit Des hit us with, and if I feel like they were interesting topics and we decided to roll with them. And the topic is rejection. The pros and cons of rejection. I'm just throwing it out there, let the chat catch it for a minute. And the audience, house audience, so this is
Pros
an
and
open,
cons?
the open topic. How do we feel about rejection and how do we
You
deal
need
with
some
it?
rejection.
Eh?
You need some rejection.
Yeah.
You need highs and lows. I'm a firm believer that you need highs and lows in the life because the lows teach you to
Yeah, that's
appreciate
the most
highs.
of the listeners.
Wait,
Feel
can
me?
we say it over again? I'm sorry.
Rejection.
Rejection.
How
the
do you
pros
feel
and
about
cons.
rejection?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It got pros and cons about like, do you feel like there are pros and cons? These things, there's positive you can get if you get, like he was just explaining, like
Oh, sorry.
it builds you up.
And when it make you a little bit more self-aware to tell you to go back and check on your detailing and shit like that.
All right. All right. That's a fact. So let's break it down on a relationship aspect. Like you trying to pursue somebody or even if you're already in a relationship with somebody, they could still reject you in some type of way. Whether y'all try to do a business together or, you know what I mean? It could be anyway. But on a relationship aspect, how do we feel about rejection?
On a relationship aspect?
Yeah.
Are you in a relationship with this person?
Yeah. And you asking for a favor or something, and they're like, nah.
Oh, I be crashing out. Hold on. I don't think this is. I be crashing out. Don't tell me no. I'm a brat. Don't tell me no. I don't like hearing no. I be pissed.
Well,
You want honey? You want honey?
for me, I tend not to ask.
No, I know.
I don't really ask for stuff when I'm in a relationship. Especially, I don't really ask for much.
Yeah.
And what I do ask for is things that I make sure they're already doing or something they do for themselves already. So it's not like I'm asking for much. So, and even if they say no, I'm like, oh, cool. Cause niggas like whatever.
You can't always get your way though, like.
Yeah, but yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
I never
there's been
say
times
no.
where you been told no, and that's what it was.
I never say
All
no.
right,
Whether you was happy with it or not, it happens to everybody. You
So here's what I want to ask though. How many times has when you get a no or rejection, it end up turning out to be something good? Like you was like, God damn, thank God.
That's why I said I think it's good. Like, well, there's pros and cons to it, but I would more so fall on. I feel like not having rejection, it makes you just feel like you can do or you can have anything that you want, and I don't know. You need that. No, you know.
You can have anything you want. You can't have everything though.
Exactly.
I don't know. It depends because I don't like being told no. I feel like if it's gonna put us, if I say, "Oh, I want a Lamborghini," and it's gonna put us in a bad situation or something, don't say yeah. But I don't like being told no in a relationship. Honestly, if my partner asks me to do something, I'm not gonna lie. I've never put myself in a bad situation enough where I'm with somebody who be like, oh, do this or like something that is really gonna put me in a real messed up position. You know what I'm saying? So if I tell my partner, hey, we 9 months apart from this. I want to go to Dubai for my birthday. You know what I'm saying? Don't tell me no because you have 9 months to save. You have 9 months to, you know what I'm saying? So it just all, I don't know. I guess it just all depends.
You would crash out for real.
No, because he don't want to go to Dubai.
Who don't want to go to Dubai? Unless hold on, unless I personally don't want to go to Dubai because I'm gay as fuck and I'm not going to no fucking Dubai. I'm just saying I want to go with my girlfriend.
Like that lady in Pakistan.
Exactly, I want to go with my girlfriend.
Oh, we got Rum Boss and them tuning in from the brunch.
Hey.
And Dr. Sarah. Hold on, we waiting for the audio.
Oh, he can't hear us.
Oh, respect.
Text him and tell him to hold on.
Oh.
Because he can't hear us.
We forgot we were supposed to check on the
upside down.
the lovers rap
Upside down.
brunch.
Nigel, you want food?
When they
Sure,
fix
baby.
it.
You didn't have to make it.
I'm gonna make it. I've been made
A
it for
grape
everybody.
this year?
What you want?
These are grapes?
Yes.
They so huge.
Yes. I'm sorry, I didn't put grapes on.
No.
What do you want?
Where's my leg? Pineapple, honey milk?
It's jump in at the
I love fruit.
in the chat. So, but back to what we were saying, as far as the rejection, until we get the flip back until we get back, Dr. Sauer in the chat. Now that we got the spouse or relationship part out of the way, how about on a job or in life? What would be the difference for Jenny now if your boss told you no and rather than your spouse?
It depends on what it's a no about. If you telling me no because I want to go on vacation, you can kiss my ass. But I mean, if it's rejection as in something else, like.
But are you gonna crash out on your boss?
No, I absolutely not.
But why would you crash out on your spouse and not take you to Dubai?
Because it's like, why are you not taking me to Dubai?
The same reason your boss can't give you the vacation. Shit happens. But
That's
carry
true.
on.
That's true. I think that's a different topic. As a supervisor, you need to make coverage because people work so hard. This is going through a whole spiral. People work hard at their jobs. People work hard, and sometimes people don't even want to get up and go to work. You know what I'm saying? We all got our own stuff that we have going on, our families and things like that. So I think it's very important to prioritize your employees, vacation.
Yeah, but at the same time, that is a part of everybody's life. As involves, like you said, as what they got going on is work. And then as a boss or a supervisor, let me just say boss, because some of these supervisors really be petty and assholes and pick their favorites and shit. But as a boss running a company, like, just like they put in more time, majority of the time, whether it be at work or out of work, to keep the company doing what it's doing.
For sure.
You know what I mean? So I feel like for them, it's kind of, if it's weird, not weird, but they do more. So for we doing the bare minimum of just doing the hands-on stuff. You know what I mean? And they do all of the paperwork, insurance. You know what I mean? What that make the company stand. So I feel like when it comes to work, getting rejected from them, in a sense, I understand. But if you know what you're worth at work as an employee, and you know that person at work, it's a way of getting shit. I believe.
Like when you just know what you worth in general, bro.
Yeah, but it's still I feel like it's still a way of asking or going about it though, even if you know you worth that much. Because if you go off like hella aggressive about it or flexing, like I'm the best worker here, you know, stating the facts will get you what you want, but at the same time it'll rub the employer the wrong way. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And so when you push them up against the wall, they're like, all right, cool, but next time you're not gonna be in that position. They're gonna either make somebody become a better worker, or that's just gonna be their next. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like your work is not gonna be credible no more because of your attitude. Well,
what happened to what you call it?
I'm about to try to jump back in.
I don't think rejection is something that you should be taking like personal. Like it just happens, bro. Like for real. But look beautiful to me might look ugly as shit to her.
Just turn it on.
Look pretty to her, but like decent to you. You know what I'm saying? So it's like it's not something to be dwelling on about, for real. I ain't gonna lie.
Is the rejection? Because I don't know. It's a lot to think about when these questions is asked, because it's like, is the rejection a good rejection, as in I'm gonna learn from this rejection, or is a rejection something like, oh, I'm rejecting you because you're black. I'm rejecting you because you're young. I'm rejecting you because you like the same sex.
Even that type
you got
of
rejected
rejection,
either way.
Yeah, but it's up to you as the rejectee to go.
If you got rejected from somewhere because you was black, now you know not to go there because they don't like black people.
Yeah.
Get the fuck around. What you about to sit there and be mad?
Yeah, but regardless, it's
that's
up
not
to
gonna
you.
do nothing.
Wait, so what's the question again?
Rejection, pros and cons.
Yeah,
Pros
and
versus
so
cons.
alright, so how about this one? How about how many times do you get rejected before you stop? Like for example, at work, you're trying to get a raise or a higher position and you keep going about it. How much attempts before you stop? Or just say fuck it or move on.
I never stop.
That's on the person.
And I think it depends on the situation too.
If you want something, bro, you're gonna go get it.
That part. So
was it something like you really want?
Yeah.
You gonna go get go get it.
With some,
People do have their limits though.
People create limits in their mind.
Factual.
They create their own limits.
Factual.
If it's something that I don't really care for, I'm not gonna go try as hard to go get it.
Right.
But I mean, like for like going to talk to your boss, like, yo, what's up with my raise? Like, it's been the past the probation period
until I quit. I mean,
yeah, type of vibe.
I might ask. I'll say like 2 or 3 times. I'm gonna ask like 2 or 3 times.
It'd be different for me because I don't even feel like.
Well, you ain't never worked for nobody, so you probably hard.
I work for mad people.
Oh.
Crazy. I don't work at Wegmans. I don't work at
You
Arby's.
worked at Wegmans?
Nigga, I don't work at Arby's.
Arby's was around when you was born?
I don't work at Insomnia Cookie. I don't work at...
Damn, they only got like one Arby's left in Gates.
I had a spray painting job for the city. I worked at the Boys and Girls Club.
Arby's at Henrietta.
Wait.
I feel like that's
one thing about barbers, barbers don't work everywhere. If you ask any barber, bro, they don't have 1,000 jobs. They rappers, artists, bro, they don't did everything, bro. I'm telling you, we don't have 1,000 jobs. I probably count on both ends how many jobs I have.
All right, so this one. So Jenny, how many times before, like, you ask him to go on that trip and he tell you no? How many times before you stop asking?
Probably like twice. Cause after that, I'm about to get a new girlfriend.
Yo.
Because they don't want to go to Dubai.
No, because why are you telling me no? I don't tell my people that I care about. I don't tell them no.
Does it need to be a reason?
Even if you don't want
Does
to
it
do
need to
it,
be-
like,
I don't tell them no.
Does it need to be a reason why they saying no, or is it just, or is it the fact that they even telling you no?
period.
I don't
right.
like. Say that again. Sorry.
So
Is there?
is it like, all right, bow? So you wanted to go to Dubai in 9 months, Brody? Like, they in like 10 months though. I got like a little business scheme working.
Then that's
it should be
different.
complete.
You explaining. That's fine. I'm okay with that. But just like, I feel like people be making excuses. This is just general. I'm gonna just say this as a general topic. Absolutely. You know that your
People make
best friend
excuses for what
birthday
they want to.
is March 5th. But every year when your best friend birthday come out and she's doing a girl's trip or she's doing this or she's doing that, you like, oh, I don't got it right now. You know, like, people literally make time or do things that they, you know what I'm saying?
What they want to do.
Exactly. Now, I said friend-wise. Now, I'm going to say relationship-wise. You know that every year your girlfriend mother passed away on this day and she say to you she don't want, you know, she just want to stay in the house and be alone, or you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But then you get upset with her because
You want to go out.
she don't want to go out or do something when you know this specific day is for her mother's passing. You know what I'm saying? So just things like that. I just feel like people make time for who they want to. People do things for who they want to. You know what I'm saying? You got to prioritize people that you care about. You got to prioritize people that you love because it's, you know, it's important.
People gonna do what they want at the end of the day.
Oh,
Like,
absolutely.
Still like,
but here's what I say for that, because from my, I would say a male aspect, but I can't speak for all these niggas because some of them be wilding out. But from my point of view, you make time for who you want, yes, but sometime
You just can't do it. That's how I see it.
because sometimes I be want to see people and either I'm tired or just I physically want to be by myself, even though I know that time could be shared with that person. But if that person can't, because literally,
Especially if I know it's something that you could wait for.
you talking about Dubai.
yeah. But if I've been in a situation where somebody hit me up to hang out back in the day,
Like, Dubai is far, girl.
can you look up-
Expensive.
I'm never going to Dubai.
Chat, can you look up? Can you look up the flight costs to Dubai? Yeah.
Oh, there go Kenny again.
That was an example. Can we not say Dubai because it just
can we
runs
hear?
me.
Oh, people, just so y'all know what's going on, we checking in the Lovers Rock brunch, and that's at Livevybz restaurant right now. Come here, Lovers Rock brunch. Dr. Sour there bartending and shit. Rumboss International is playing the music, and he about to give us a quick preview of the bar and the food and all the things that are going, and then we gonna get back to it. But until him get to that, you were saying something?
With me?
No, not one of y'all was saying something, and then you said Kenny was on.
It was definitely
The
me.
Dubai shit.
Oh, can we
Oh,
look up
yeah. I was just saying. Yeah.
flight costs.
But me I tell you me,
Let's see.
cause them don't know. But pick somebody else.
I don't know. That's what I said. I said, let's not say Dubai.
Yeah.
But
But I
No,
can get
like,
the
how
gist
many
though, like
trips-
somewhere.
that's
$1,000. They're
That's
like
just an
$1,000.
example.
Yeah,
I feel like
just the gist. Yeah.
I don't know. Like, I don't know if I really mean don't say no to me. Like, in all, you know, honesty and maturity, I don't think I'm going to be upset that my partner is saying no to me. But I think it all just depends on the situation. Like, me, I'm not going to
have
ask.
to be for a reason.
Yeah, it's
Because if y'all, like you say, if it's somewhere y'all like and then y'all care,
right.
then you know she gonna make it special. But
Right.
if no for a reason, but if it's up to you if you want to press what the reason is or just accept it and be like, all right, cool.
Right. Because I'm not going to say something. I remember. Nah, I'm not even going to get into the story time, but I'm just saying, like, it depends. Because I know me as a person, I'm not, if my partner is making $2 an hour, I'm not about to ask you for $1,000 gift on my birthday. You know what I'm saying? Because you're making $2 an hour. Like, but it's just like certain things, I feel like certain, you know?
All right. That's not something
What's
bad.
that smell? It smells good. Like, why am I
Something
smelling
smells
bacon
bacon.
and
Bacon?
Yeah, something is like.
We probably smelling the food at the brunch through the TV.
ooh, you know
It's
what?
AI.
You might be right.
We knew AI. The neuro chip.
Might be right.
Yeah. But we got this is the closing out question we got for everybody. And this is a question we're gonna ask everybody. Hopefully everybody in the chat could answer. We're gonna ask the chat first to answer this question, and then we're gonna ask the people in the audience in the house and then on set. So the question is, how do you break up with somebody? That's what we want to know, everybody's approach to this. How do you break up with someone?
We giving our answer first?
No, we letting the chat catch up first because it takes a while. They lie. But we could ask the people in the house first, the audience. Oh, look at, wait, push pause. We at the brunch. They chowing down.
Very nice.
Is that right?
Yeah, I was about to say too. Hey.
No.
The brunch look active. The display look nice.
Is that him?
I'm about to say, go show that.
Wait. No, box here with a longer one. Hey, yo. I wish he had a better camera though. Rasta pasta. Hey, you.
Wow, that's very nice.
Steak.
All right, that can pass. Yeah.
I don't see the bread and brunch.
That's supposed to be.
Scrimp?
Yeah, sure.
Scrimp.
Oh, I can hear him on the laptop.
Okay.
Grits and rice.
Yeah, there you go.
Waffle.
Wow,
waffle,
those
look
look good.
Hold on.
Oh, the display set up nice. You, Mr. Ollie, what up? Can you move your dirty hand, man?
Can he even hear us? He can't hear us, right?
Where am I going to the kitchen? We're getting a behind the scenes tour. I hope he knows so we like. Yeah, he definitely do. Kenny, lift up the camera, man. Come in. That's our guest from Friday night show, Camila and KK. You should have a YouTube chat up in that background you down here.
Out here for the next one. It's lit. I'm telling you now, man. It's a vibe out here. It's definitely a vibe. Food good as hell. I got people calling me and texting me asking if there's more food left. They're gonna get here fast.
Yo, Kenny, you can't hear me? Yo, you can hear? Yo, save me some waffle. You can't teach me some waffle?
I'm trying to hear y'all.
Oh, you can't hear me.
Bet.
Oh, you hear me?
Alright.
You said bit.
I'll holler at y'all.
All right then, look who more.
Tune in Friday. Shout out to Gyalis and the Baddies.
All right, you're doing it.
Friday. You know what it is.
All right.
Yeah, he must couldn't hear us.
Yeah, that shit was fire. So
It
it's-
looks so good.
yeah, we outside with it. So
Good.
a question. The question again. So back to the
We should've
proceedings.
That's what we should have filmed over there.
How do you break up with someone? And Cassie said, I don't tell my
I think that was old.
That was okay. Never mind. So the house. I don't know if y'all heard that, but
Boom.
one of the
Bam.
live audience members said just straight to the point. We can't be together no more.
Who's doing that though? You do that, Reese?
Okay,
can't
I
be
guess
together no more.
Reese since.
Absolutely. For me, if I'm breaking up with you, it's for a reason. Tell me, like, insert situation happened, so I'm not going to be with you no more.
I feel like it shouldn't be over. I just feel like it shouldn't just be over a device. I feel like it should be in person. That's my only.
Yeah, absolutely.
No, I know. I'm saying that's my only stipulation.
I agree.
For sure. It should definitely be a conversation had about. For sure.
We didn't just get there out of. We had multiple conversations.
I don't.
That's true.
I don't feel like it matters if it's over the phone or in person.
Everyone has preferences.
You
I
know.
like to do stuff in person.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever been broken up with in person. We say that, but I don't think I've ever been broken up with in person.
Honestly, I feel like this.
Oh shit!
Say you've been with somebody.
She's like, and I said his name. Period.
Say you've been with somebody for 10 or 15 years, or even 5 or 7 years.
Yeah.
I kind of feel like it kind of really don't matter in a way, because if you've been with somebody for 15 years, you done seen that person 1,000 times. Like it probably was led up to a certain, you know what I'm saying? I feel like it could have been led up to something. So, but I feel like if you have been with a person for like 10 or 5 months or 7 months or something like, or even a year, like, you know, it would be nice to break up with them through, you know, like a face-to-face type of situation. But if you done been with somebody for 15 years, 7 years, 5 years, things have kind of led up to that breakup, or things have kind of led up to that cut off. So if you've been with somebody for like 7 years.
So you're saying breakup.
So what?
Gonna lead up to
Jenny,
it.
put the microphone on the couch. So
Yeah,
you
just
don't
put
have
it
to
closer
bend
to
down.
you. Yeah.
Yes.
No, and they can hear you either way. So, but
okay.
What? So you're saying 15 years? You should be able to just cut it like that since it's being built up.
Not cut it like that, but
because you definitely
that
gonna want.
makes sense.
Yeah,
yes, but you gonna wanna. After 15 years, baby, you're not just about to leave me. I'm sorry.
We gotta talk about this.
Yeah, like
we gotta talk about this.
But pre what Jenny's saying, if after 15 years, the point of view I'm looking at, if it's building up that for that long, it's gonna cut like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, because say, for example, y'all are trying to work on things. Like, say, for example, this is a 15-year marriage. This is a 15-year something. And y'all was living together, and then y'all end up splitting up. Now you have your own place. This person have their own place. And they could have, the last time...
Wait.
That's
a different
Bro,
topic.
more than likely the wife, but even people get down to that situation and they still end up moving back in with each other, living the rest of their life out, having another kid, and they split up again.
Guys,
You doing bad shit.
remember the core question is how.
How to break up?
Yeah. How y'all do it?
Yeah, I just feel like it should just be in person. I feel like it should be a conversation.
A conversation?
Yeah, why not?
Or a statement?
Statement, conversation, however you want to.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying?
But what y'all saying when y'all break up with somebody?
All right, let me think about.
It depends on what I'm breaking up with them for.
Oh, I just don't respond.
Because I feel like
I really
situations like people just
I literally just
people
like
just know.
Yeah.
Like,
and if they want to know, they ask me and I'm like, yeah, so yeah.
I don't know. I don't really be liking the phone shit.
I know you broke up with people, so what did you say to those people?
But over the phone, I ain't never really did it in person.
No, but
before.
what did you say?
Like,
Over the phone, what'd you say?
Yeah, I'm like, I'm leaving. Like, get the fuck out my face. Like,
damn.
Yo, I said some stuff. Like, I told a nigga, you will never be the person for me. So,
okay.
Yeah, that's a good closing the door statement.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Don't play, because I got some breakup stuff in my phone that when I broke up with people, so I can read y'all what I said. No, I'm just playing.
You know you be snapping.
Yeah, because you can't go to
get
Dubai.
mad. You get mad when they say no.
You be sending the paragraphs before I can even respond to them.
No, let me tell you.
I'm still typing about the first thing you said. She don't say.
Let me tell y'all.
Yeah, Jenny, that's you.
No,
yes,
listen, I do be sending the paragraphs. But let me tell y'all, like, I swear to God, I'm joking when I say this, but I'm literally like several different people. I'm joking in a different body. Like, I just know in one body because I know y'all. Listen.
Jenny high.
Jenny?
It's fuck. But listen, no, hold on.
Wait.
I'm saying this.
All right.
No, I'm saying this because I act a certain way when I'm at work. I might be explaining this in a weird way.
No, but I know exactly where you're going with this.
Yeah, I act a certain way.
That don't mean you 7 different people. That just means you know how to act in the surroundings that you're in.
That's why I said I might have said it in a I'm high, y'all, so I might have said it in
making no sense
in the real highway. But no, seriously. I'm
get it, yeah.
how I am here. I'm a total different person at work. I am a total different person in a relationship. So
Yeah.
I mean, I have, different. Yeah,
Shit.
so I feel
I think
like
I'm about like the same.
I'm as me everywhere.
Yeah, I think I'm the same.
I'm
I'm
is
not.
me everywhere I go.
I can't be me.
mean,
I can't be me at work because
if
the
it's
type of
more-
person I am, I'm gonna cuss you the fuck out
I'm,
on the street. But when I'm at work,
You have
I'm,
No, but
I'm
you-
sorry, but the
Yeah,
way
I'm
that
about
you're
to say
talking to me
You
is very
working-
unprofessional.
you
However,
a
I would
resource.
like.
Yeah, I feel like you can get a little bit more formal or whatever.
Yeah.
But like,
Yeah,
no, I
because
still
you
think
value
kinda
your
add
job.
your own swag to even being formal. Like,
Yeah.
But it's one thing I try to make sure, like, even if I'm applying for a job or I'm meeting somebody, they accept me for me. I don't twang or none of that shit.
cause I'm just
Like, I just pull up like, yo, you want some work done? Type shit. Like,
Then again, no, I feel like my vibe
I remember-
also fits many settings.
and this what fucked me up too, bro. About that shit too. Sidetracking. I remember my first job here was not that. Well, that one was it, or was it Salvatore's? But Salvatore's, I dressed up. I put on my mom made me wear a tie and shit. I'm like, bro, it's a fucking pizza shop. I'm not wearing like. I'm very keen on shit like that. And the thing that made me had that intensity, dress for the job you want. So I was literally ready to wear a t-shirt and jeans in case the nigga was like, can you start right now?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Right.
So for me to wear a tie, just look at you, oh, come back next week and shit. So I was just always ready to show them I'm ready to work.
Right.
So me and her arguing about it, she made me, and literally what I said almost happened. He was like, oh, we could have started you training, but I don't want to get your shit messed up. I'm like, so ever since then, if I'm going for a factory job, I got my boots, I got shit, go there. Any type of, whatever, but I never dressed up for nothing.
Just for what you want. You just for the occasion.
But yeah, but when you say like for even the office job shit, I don't like even then that's not in my field of work, but I would have never, I just swag it out. You know me, like my ripped jeans and shit. I don't like dress pants because it makes my skin itch. So but like I said, you don't gotta feed into the narrative. You just gotta know how to sell you instead of what you gotta put on. Use that to sell. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Make an image.
I mean, long as you look clean and professional, like jobs
Always
95% of the time don't
give a shit.
care. Like if you business casual, like I mean, don't go in there with a white tee, some Timbs, and some baggy jeans on. Like I mean, come on, use common sense, but. Yeah, talk with a little respect. I'm dead. A little home training.
No, but I feel like it's to the point where you just gotta. I'm big on understanding people, and not trying to force them to fit a persona. Just try to see if you can use your shit to fit what they're doing, and that way you won't have any static while they're working or trying to. You know what I mean? You hiring like for you in HR, you hiring somebody like streets. We would say somebody from. You know how to speak that language. You don't have to respond that way, but you understand that's their environment. So you would give them a leeway type of vibe is what I'm saying.
No.
Rather than, you don't? Judge.
I still stay professional.
I'm not saying you don't, but I'm saying if they aren't, you still give them a leeway, but you still keep it.
It depends on the situation. Honestly, it depends because people come in there with attitudes and the type of
professional. There's the job.
Yeah, exactly. So you got to think about that. I'm just
like
saying.
You want to give everybody opportunity, but you can't.
You can't. There's some
can't
people
do that.
No bad though. Sometimes we be our biggest downfall.
Yeah.
You know what y'all just did? Y'all talked about opportunity. I'm taking this opportunity to cups up quick, guys. We got a toast to Niger. Yeah. She got her I forgot the word.
Yes. Esthetician. She could do lips injection.
Yeah.
And then
all my white friends hit me.
Listen, they ain't gotta be white. I'm first in line. I already told you.
Yeah, she's an official esthetician. That's the word. That's how you say it.
I'm not an esthetician, but I
certified.
A certified injector now.
Yeah.
Yep.
Which is awesome.
I can do them Botox, the fillers.
So ladies. Come pump up on the lip.
I'm taking my advanced class soon, where I can start doing like IV hydration and rhinoplasties with the filler and the cheeks and the chin.
Oh shit! You and Dr. Nyami.
Yeah.
So what I do right there,
Absolutely.
Miami.
Yeah, you could get fillers in your butt.
Oh, all right.
Yeah,
I
you get
don't
a filler
need it.
BBL. Like, get a filler BBL.
I don't
It's
need
crazy.
it.
It costs a lot of money, but
It's worth
it's a
it.
thing. Yeah, you could do it.
I get a DDL. I don't want no.
Oh my gosh,
What?
not a DDL. Anyways.
Yeah, moving forward.
Screaming.
Yeah.
Don't think about it. But people,
Big up, Nigel.
yeah.
We're
Thanks,
proud of
guys.
you.
Thanks, guys. High class aesthetics on the way.
Oh, love that. Yeah.
I can't wait for that drop on. We're
High
up in the
class
studio.
aesthetics. Yeah.
All right.
That's gonna be the name of the business.
Oh, that's nice.
I like that. Look forward for that. We're gonna have our logo and all of that shit, right? I can't wait for
Yeah.
that shit because I feel like it's gonna be tough. We're gonna be sponsored by High Class Aesthetics. I gotta practice that.
High class.
But I didn't know. So people,
Yeah.
this is your boy Gyalis J.
This is Nigel Kiara.
Boogie the Bobber.
Jenny from the block, you already know.
And this was another episode of Gyalis and the Baddies and Boogie. Shouts out to Sienny. She's not here today because she's out in
We
the field
miss
working.
you.
Yes, girl.
And again, shout out to Dr. Sauer and everybody down at the Lovers Rock Brunch. And shout out to everybody in the chat that's been tuning in and staying active with us. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. And again, we still do ask you to like and share and subscribe if you haven't yet. And, you know, if you miss it, you can still, for the people who's going to come in and watch it that didn't catch a live stream, we do thank you and do share, comment still, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And share in the family, them in the bushes to pass it to them. They want to know what we have vibe with and go on a Sunday. So, again, thanks for tuning in. We'll catch y'all next Sunday. And it's the third Sunday. It's Man of the Month. It's next week. And we don't know who's they decide to give Man of the Month yet. It's up to the ladies, though. But we'll keep y'all posted and catch y'all next week.
I might have somebody for next week.
Fancy things will never come in between. You're part of my entity, here for infinity. When the world has took its part, when the world has dealt its cards, if the hand is hard, together we'll mend your heart. Because when the sunshine will shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Took an oath, I'ma stick it out to the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we'll still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. Ella, ella, under my umbrella. Ella, ella, under my umbrella. Ella, ella, under my umbrella. Ella, ella,
I need you, boo. I gotta see you, boo. And the hearts all over the world tonight. Said the hearts all over the world tonight. I need you, boo. I gotta see you, boo. And the hearts all over the world tonight. Said the hearts all over the world tonight. Hey, little mama, ooh, you're a stunner. Hot little figure, yes, you a winner. And I'm so glad to be yours. You're a class all your own. And ooh, little cutie, when you talk to me, I swear the whole world stops. You're my sweetheart, and I'm so glad that you're mine. You are one of a kind, and you mean me what I mean to you. And together, baby, there is nothing we won't do. 'Cause if I got you, I don't need money, I don't need cars, girl, you're my all. And oh, I'm into you, and girl, no one else would do. With every kiss and every hug, you make me fall in love. And now I know I can't Cause I'm thinking about you. It's your fault, babe. I never wanted us to break up. No, not this way. But you don't understand it, girl. When she touches me, I'm wishing that they were your hands. And when I'm with her, it's only by for sex. With you, I had a bad romance. And if I could just trade her in, I would. Cause nobody compares to you. No, yeah. I think I better let her go. Cause I can't leave you alone. Every day that I'm with her, all I want is you. I wanna leave, but I'm afraid that you don't even feel the same. And now I realize that she ain't you. She ain't you. She ain't, no, she ain't. I've been sleeping out for quite some nights now. It's not the same in my bed. What if she found out what's going on in my head? It'll be alright. Have me right back. She touches me. I'm wishing that they were your hands. And when I'm with her, it's only by the sex. With you, I had a bad romance.